Welcome to eZintegrations. I'll demonstrate how to integrate stock items from Acumatica and send them to Shopify's product dashboard through a peer-to-API integration within a few minutes. Let's get started. To begin creating an integration bridge, I'll start by clicking on the Add option. As you can see, there are 4 simple steps. Let's begin with the first step, setting up the data source, which is Acumatica. Let me select the business object as retrieve stock item. The Acumatica endpoint URL, along with the necessary OAuth 2.0 authorization credentials, is populated. The authorization is prefilled with token link and the required body consisting of client ID, client secret, username, password, and scope variables. We need to set up these and its source is ready. With the credentials entered, I'll test the connection to ensure the integration is properly configured, and we're good to go. Now we move to our next step, data operation, where we'll prepare the data to meet Shopify's requirements. I'll start by using the single line to multi-line operation to break down the data for easier processing. A quick drag and drop, and let me enter a field name here. Let's check how our data is transformed by clicking here. As you can see, the data has been transformed from single line JSON data to multi-line. Next, I'll apply the data extractor operation to isolate the relevant fields like description and inventory details. Here I will add the keys whose data I want to extract. The data is transformed within minutes with just a few clicks. Let's take a look at how it appears now. Finally, I'll use the append operation to combine additional fields, ensuring the data is structured exactly as Shopify requires. Let me input the payload for the append operation here, and just like that, we're done with the data operation steps. Reached our third step, setting up the data target, which is Shopify. In the target type drop-down, I will be selecting Shopify and will select the business object as create orders. As you can see, the API endpoints will automatically populate. I will provide the access token for authentication under header and will define content type as applications, and guess what, we are moving to our last step. In the final step, I'll name the integration bridge and add the description as required. Define the schedule for automated runs, and you can enter the email ID for any mail to be triggered in case of any technical issues, and just click on submit to activate the integration. Now, as you can see, the integration bridge is visible as created, and you just need to start the service. And there you have it. We've successfully integrated 2 platforms in just a few minutes. Let's have a look at live transaction logs as data keeps flowing from Acumatica to Shopify. Now let me take you to Shopify and let's see how our data is transferred. As you can see, we have the data is perfectly transferred to Shopify. With eZintegrations, connecting your business systems is that simple. Automate, integrate, and scale your operations effortlessly.